Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to talk about how to actually write your paragraph now for Chapter 1, Job Description. So here are my notes. I've cut out from different places the tasks that a teacher would do. And then I put my work activities here that I found on that site too, and Job Zone, and then some other important notes that I wrote. So now I'm going to write my actual paragraph. So first I'm going to want to start out with a topic sentence and what I'm going to be talking about. So I'm going to be kind of looking at this, and I want to tell my readers that they're going to be reading about the job description of a teacher. Okay, so here I wrote my introduction sentence. A teacher has an important job to do. They have to be well educated and have many skills like working well with people. So that's just my introduction. Now I'm going to go back into these details of the different things that a teacher needs to do. So I want to kind of look at this. They need to instruct students, adapt teaching to meet student needs and interests, have clear objectives for lessons, establish rules, enforce rules for the behavior, conference with parents, and their progress and priorities. So now I'm gonna go ahead and write a little bit about that. Okay, so what I've done here is I've taken some of the notes and I've paraphrased it here into my actual paragraph. So I added on, a teacher's main task is for their workday is to instruct and teach students, but it does not stop there. A teacher must adapt teaching to meet the needs of all students. They have to create objectives for learning and set goals for students. So I really just kind of took this and I paraphrased it into my own words. Then I'm going to, and I kind of took some of this, now I'm going to take talking about conferencing with parents, and I'm going to write it here. I also want to include some of the things in the job zone. So I'm going to take all these notes and I'm going to continue to write a paragraph just like I did here. So my first chapter should be about 1 to 2 pages long. So that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be taking these notes that you've taken for chapter 1 that you've cut and pasted and put on here. Then you're going to be putting it into paragraph form and writing it down. This is what is due. This is your assignment. You want to make sure also to please put your name at the top of your paper. And this is what you're going to turn in today. Okay, so you have the class time to turn it in, and please put it in the turn-in basket when you are finished. Put your name. It needs to be a well-written paragraph. The rest of your papers, like this and all your other notes and everything, these can stay in your folder. So stay in folder. But I want to see from everyone your first chapter written out in a paragraph form. All right. I hope to see some awesome writing and learn all about your jobs.